Long after the echoes of Changsun Liang's clash had faded, the air over Dark Moon City still trembled with indignation and awe. The Black Moon Sect's banners fluttered in uneasy silence, the sect master's expression hidden behind layers of regulations, while whispers of betrayal and brilliance swept through the assembled disciples. Xiao Sheng, triumphant yet arrogant, had stretched the bounds of victory, but the calm was deceptive. From the shadows of the arena, Ling Han stepped forward with a quiet smile, an unassuming challenger whose presence alone threatened to overturn the fragile hierarchy of power, and beside him, the Empress's gaze carried a silent, burning dissatisfaction. In this tangled web of rivalry, pride, and untested strength, the next confrontation promised not just spectacle, but a seismic shift in destiny itself. Alchemy Emperor of the Divine Dao, Chapter 1713, Chapter 1714, begins here, where fists and fury will decide the unseen weight of the future. The air was thick with tension, like a storm brewing over a restless sea. Every cultivator present felt the grip of fury and humiliation tighten around their chests. Though not all were disciples of the Black Moon Sect, both Dark Moon City and Double Extreme City answered to its authority. And now, with the Holy Sun, Xiao Sheng, daring to humiliate them, pride and rage alike burned fiercely in every heart. Xiao Sheng, a figure cloaked in arrogance, had indeed struck in the most contemptible way. He had not claimed victory through honor, but by exploiting the promised limit of 3 moves from Changsun Liang. Worse yet, the prodigious Changsun Liang had been wounded from the start. How could anyone call this a fair battle against a king tier in less than full vigor? In the minds of the gathered disciples, it was a call to arms. Anyone could step forward to give this brash youth the punishment he deserved. Yet even in his prime, few could hope to best Xiao Sheng decisively. Brother Tai, it seems your holy son still has much to cultivate, rang the sharp laughter of Xiao Dong, each syllable fanning the flames of tension. He smiled coldly, eyes glinting with malice. That final strike, delivered by Xiao Sheng with cruel brilliance, had severely wounded Changsun Liang. A recuperation of 2 or 3 years would be necessary, and he would surely miss the opening of the severing mundane pool, a critical step in advancing to the celestial level. For one such as him, this was a delay of 10 million years, an eternity in which Xiao Sheng could claim supremacy, rise to the dividing soul tier, and even obliterate the Black Moon Sect itself. The sect master of Black Moon Sect remained impassive, though his body hummed with the regulations, concealing the rage beneath his calm facade. Since no one from your sect is stepping forth, I shall take my leave, Xiao Dong declared, beckoning Xiao Sheng to follow. Their display of might was complete. It was time to depart. Wait! A soft exclamation cut through the murmur of the crowd. From the shadowed steps, a young man emerged, serene yet resolute, his lips curved in a faint smile. I will accept the challenge. It was Ling Han. The audience stirred, excitement and disbelief mingling in the air. Ling Han had clashed with Changsun Liang before, their battle ending in stalemate, and it was that duel that had left Changsun Liang injured. The coincidence of encountering another superlative talent today was electric, yet dangerous. Ling Han, having already shared the limelight in his prior battle, now faced an opponent at the peak of arrogance. The stakes were perilous. You, Xiao Sheng's gaze sharpened, laced with disdain. Who dares challenge me? Do you even possess the worthiness? Ling Han's expression remained calm. No anger flared, only the cool patience of one confident in his inner power. You once said anyone dissatisfied could challenge you without limit, he replied softly, his words carrying the weight of inevitability. Xiao Sheng's eyes narrowed. And aside from you, who else dares? Ling Han's smile deepened as he turned to the Empress. Wife, are you dissatisfied? Dissatisfied, she stated, her voice steady and filled with imperious pride. Not merely to honor Ling Han, but because her own sense of pride was offended. You see, the two of us are dissatisfied. Shall we deal with you together? Ling Han's tone was light, as if inviting a companion to a leisurely walk, yet beneath it simmered the latent force of a seasoned cultivator. Rage ignited within Xiao Sheng, furious at such insolence, yet the sight of the Empress's elegance cooled his fury into a burning desire. She must be taken, he decided, to 100 Magnificent City, no matter the cost. Very well, the two of you may face me together, he growled. Ling Han laughed softly and moved behind Xiao Sheng, forming a triangular dance of power with him and the Empress. Wife, let's play with him like a ball. All right, she replied, her eyes gleaming. Unlike Ling Han, her philosophy was simple: strike down anyone who offended her. To play along with him was a delight, a rare amusement. Xiao Sheng's expression darkened. Did they truly look down upon him so deeply, to trap him between them as if he were a mere toy? Yet in this realm, warriors of their level felt no fatigue. Origin power flowed like an ocean, vital and inexhaustible, capable of enduring decades of battle without pause. Despicable words, I will tear you apart, he roared, launching forward in a tempest of fury. Wife, catch the ball! Ling Han's voice rang out, and with a casual punch, Xiao Sheng was sent flying. Peng! The impact threw him across the air like a leaf in a storm. Even with the combined strength of the Empress and the injured Changsun Liang, Xiao Sheng could not contend with Ling Han. And yet it was a mere casual strike, no grand celestial technique, no great Dao illuminated, only the sheer unassuming mastery of his inner power. And Xiao Sheng had flown, as if reality itself bent beneath his opponent's hand. Shock rippled through the sect master, Xiao Dong, Changsun Liang, and every witness. A king tier, sent aloft by a simple blow? How could this be? Had Changsun Liang truly battled him to a draw? Or had Xiao Sheng merely exploited an injury? Perhaps Ling Han had never even revealed his true strength before. Streaking through the air, Xiao Sheng recalibrated and lunged toward the Empress. Despite the days, his king tier might remain formidable. The Empress, poised with an elegance as lethal as a hidden blade, met him strike for strike. Her palms radiated with compressed patterns of great Dao, resonating with a terrifying force. Peng, peng, peng. 30 exchanges of blows passed, each echoing the clash of titans, until finally a palm strike from the Empress hurled him back toward Ling Han once more. Treating me like a ball, Xiao Sheng seethed, fury surging. Seizing the moment in midair, he unleashed the blade of flame, a signature strike capable of inflicting fatal Dao injury. Yet Ling Han, with a serene smile, extended his hand to grasp the flaming weapon. Xiao Sheng, seeing the unflinching calm, did not retreat, and Ling Han's grasp closed around the blade with unyielding certainty. Not good. Changsun Liang's face paled, recalling the last strike from this deadly blade. The shards of the regulations of fire had pierced deep, merging with his essence and becoming perilous to expel. The stage was set, the air thick with the scent of combustion and the tension of impending doom, as the battle between these prodigies unfolded like a living legend in the making. The air quivered with the aftermath of fierce combat, carrying the acrid scent of scorched earth and molten energy. Even the most seasoned cultivators would have hesitated to attempt what Ling Han had just done. Grabbing a fiery blade with bare hands, for such a weapon had fused with his body, a violent touch would have torn at the flesh itself. Only a fool would court such self-inflicted agony. Yet Ling Han's hand met the blaze without so much as a singe, an impossibility that rippled disbelief through the gathered onlookers. You cannot underestimate Xiao Sheng just because your first strike landed, Changsun Liang muttered to himself, his mind still struggling to process the scene. Ling Han, unshaken, propelled his body forward with a surge of martial might, delivering a flying kick that struck Xiao Sheng squarely in the chest. The impact sent the king-tier warrior skidding across the ground, crashing perilously close to the Empress. Changsun Liang's jaw slackened in disbelief. He had witnessed it with his own eyes, not a mark blemished Ling Han's hand. Every speck of ash seemed to hover in defiance of reality. This is beyond comprehension, he stammered. Around him, whispers of astonishment spread like wildfire. His movement, I could see it clearly, yet Xiao Sheng could not react. He didn't even attempt to block. It's true. I would have been able to parry that strike, another elite murmured. He must have been overpowered by Ling Han's aura. Such king-tier might. It crushes the spirit as well as the body. Even as the bystanders scrambled to rationalize the events, those with experience above the severing mundane tier recognized the true nature of what had unfolded. A strike that appeared slow was as swift as lightning. A touch that seemed light carried the weight of a mountain. Ling Han's every motion, though visible, transcended the limits of human reaction. Were one to attempt to counter his assaults, One would need the reflexes of 10 warriors multiplied in speed. Mere mortals could not hope to withstand such a tempest of power. The spectacle of Xiao Sheng being battered from one end to the other left even the most seasoned cultivators in awe. Crashing against the Empress, exchanging brief counters, he could only be hurled aside, unable to withstand the relentless onslaught of Ling Han's fists, palms, and kicks. Each strike was a testament to the vast chasm separating their strength. Hair stood on end as the reality sank in. Two prodigies now eclipsed even the legendary Xiao Sheng. The sect master of the Black Moon Sect smiled with satisfaction. He had foreseen Changsun Liang's injuries, yet Xiao Sheng's plight surpassed all expectation. Humiliation compounded by bruising, as the young king tier found himself but a plaything beneath the hands of Ling Han and his wife. Xiao Dong's eyes blazed with fury, but the barrier sealing his path ensured he could do nothing. Any move would have drawn the full wrath of the sect master, and restraint was the only choice, though it seared his pride. What unfolded before them was no battle in the truest sense. The skirmish between the Empress and Xiao Sheng carried semblances of combat, yet the clash with Ling Han was a one-sided display of dominion. Xiao Sheng's frame bore countless strikes, each more punishing than the last, until he slumped in dejection, a young lion humbled. The Empress, her patience spent, signaled the end with a cold declaration: "I no longer wish to play." Ling Han extended a hand, lifting Xiao Sheng effortlessly. With a gentle yet piercing smile, he spoke: "Young man, humility is a lesson you must learn. Witness the strength I wield and the grace I maintain. Measure your worth against this." His words struck with more force than any fist, leaving all spectators in a stunned silence. The two had tossed Xiao Sheng about like a mere trinket, yet he had earned nothing but rebuke. The young warrior slid across the ground, carving a groove in the stone before halting at Xiao Dong's feet, a silent, provocative testament to the clash of titans. Ling Han's restraint towards Xiao Sheng had waned. The audacious prodigy of the Xiao clan had been publicly humbled, and the feud between the Ding and Xiao clans was now undeniable. Xiao Dong, despite his anger, lifted the battered Xiao Sheng. The prodigy's ambitions and the long years of anticipation for triumph had been dashed, yet his potential remained undimmed. The overwhelming might of Ling Han and the Empress had rewritten the balance of power, not through malice, but sheer, unassailable strength. Ling Han's eyes gleamed as he answered the question of his name with quiet authority. "I am Ding Xiaochen." At the side, the young Ding Xiaochen, observing enviously, nearly choked on his own astonishment. He had coveted renown and mastery in the younger generation, yet he had never envisioned claiming it through such overwhelming force. The memories of past clan conflicts stirred in him, a faint echo of the Han clan's ancient charge against the Ding clan. Ling Han's rise seemed both familiar and inescapably formidable, a trap that none could sidestep. Panicked, the young Ding Xiaochen shouted from afar, pleading, "Senior! Senior! The real Ding Xiaochen is here! That one is Ling Han! Do not be deceived!" The assembled cultivators bristled at his groveling tone. In the midst of the Black Moon Sect and Xiao clan's clash, morale was paramount. Such desperate flattery sparked disdain, yet for Ding Xiaochen, it was a necessary gesture, a fragile shield against the wrath of a dividing soul-tier elite. In the heart of this battlefield, where kings of the realm clashed and pride was weighed against power, every gesture, every word, and every strike carried the weight of destiny itself. The echoes of the confrontation lingered in the air, a tale of humbling force and indomitable might, one that would ripple through the ages of cultivation and the annals of the sects.